President Draupadi Murmu interacts with the Indian diaspora at the Mahatma Gandhi Institute and Rabindranath Tagore Institute in Mauritius. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visits Sabarmati Ashram and inaugurates Kochrap Ashram. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval called on Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in Tel Aviv and discussed the ongoing war against Hamas in Gaza. Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launches Common Fellowship Portal for students and research scholars in New Delhi. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal resigned this morning after meeting Governor Bandaru Dattaiah at Haryana Raj Bhavan, Chandigarh.